Hey guys, what's up? So Psych-E here. Today we are going to be making a little tub. So in the last video that I made, we went ahead and made some substrate. So that is right here. I have kept the pressure cooker sealed until then. It's cooled off. And now we are ready to make a little tub. So a few things. I'm gonna be making just a small one today because the main purpose, like I said in my last video, is just to really test out my spawn. Make sure everything is good. So I'm just gonna spawn these 4 jars right here. There you go. Yeah, I'm just gonna spawn these 4 jars, and once this fruits, this will kind of let me know if I can go ahead and multiply my spawn. Also, I'll be hunting for some mutations, so that should be fun as well. Now I want to do this little intro because I'm about to turn my flow hood on, and it sounds awful if I'm trying to talk, and also I don't really want to talk during this process. So without further ado, the only thing I'm gonna have left to do is, these containers are really cool. They come with like these holes that are pre-drilled. So all I'm gonna do is just duct tape this first. I've cleaned everything with like bleach, and I've also kind of let it dry with rubbing alcohol. And then I might make a small little tub, and might use this like container here. I've cleaned it out as well. Just a little plastic tub. So here we go.
Alright, what's up guys? Timelapse here. So I guess first thing is, usually I would line my tubs with a garbage bag. I would make this little kind of like bottom slash side liner. I guess I'll make a video on it later. But that usually helps prevent pinning from the side, especially if you're using a clear tote like this one. But anyways, I went ahead and put the duct tape on the side. That's going to help prevent any air from coming in so it can colonize properly. Now, I'm also not using a liner because I kind of want to just showcase the outside of the tub as it's growing, because this is kind of, again, a little test to just test both my spawn and substrate to make sure everything is clean, make sure our spawn is fantastic, and we'll be able to kind of like not duplicate it, but just increase the amount, and then making sure our substrate has been pasteurized properly. So first thing I'll do when I start to make a tub is I will start with a layer of substrate, very thin, about less than half an inch, or about half an inch or so. I kind of want the entire tub to be roughly 3 inches or so when I do all together. I like to make layers. It's not super important. You could also get away with just kind of mixing everything together and then just doing your ratio. I feel like that's a little easier. I've just kind of gotten accustomed to doing it this way. I've tested both methods for like colonization rates and whatnot. It's about the same. When I first started with this, the purpose was kind of like you have the grains from your spawn colonizing up and down on the substrate. So anyways, what I'll do is I'll add that first layer of substrate, and then I will go ahead and add a layer of spawn, and then I will just kind of repeat the process and make a lasagna. So also something that is very important is to make sure you finish with a layer of substrate. Never spawn, always finish with the layer of substrate.
Hey, so I just wanted to do kind of a comparison. So this was the jar that was actually sterilized, and then this jar was pasteurized. They were done at the same time, and then they've just been sitting over here for a little bit. And as you can see, the one that's been sterilized is showing some cobweb, so no bueno. And then this one is pasteurized, and everything is looking super clean still. So I just wanted to kind of showcase a little bit of the sterilization versus pasteurization. Just doing a little update on that tub that was made earlier. So it is pretty much done colonizing. The top, as you can see, is pretty nice. Not everything is fully covered, but I'm gonna go ahead and send it into fruiting because, I don't know if you can see, right in that area, those little dots, those are actually pins forming. So, as you can see, right there. And that was the purpose of doing everything without a liner, just so I could see and showcase the mycelium. But yeah, so that was done on the 21st. And so it's been, today's the 11th, so about 15 days. But yeah, as you can see right here, right there, it's really starting to pin. So we're gonna get it into to the fruiting room, right up close to the light, and I'm going to leave this on still for a day or two. And now we have this duct tape, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with a micropore tape to actually allow for some air exchange. So yeah, and we will update you on the harvest.